We're going to show how to fasten some Kydex, Concealex, Boltaron, basically thermal mold plastic. We're using a simple half-ton arbor press. These are the rams we've drilled to hold our die set. These are custom dies that we have made. We have them in 1/4 inch and 3/16. You see they have an indexing pin, little groove in there. They go together like this actually, and an eyelet. This happens to be a nickel plated one, would go on there. The material would be sandwiched in there. That would go down here. We have this in anvil. Now when if you buy a pre-drilled arbor press from us, we'll drill a hole up there in the ram. We use a set screw right there to hold this die in place. Then we'll also drill a hole in the ram, or in the anvil rather. Now, these have an indexing pin, and if you're going to use it, these anvils are made to drill and for different whatever uses that you want to do. We didn't take the time to precision line up the ram to the anvil. We could, but it would the ram would cost you $200. We simply flipped it over, and this anvil will float loose in there. Now you can do it if you. These are on sale all the time at MSC or Enco. Get your own, drill your holes in there, and if you want to index that, that's fine. We chose not to. That simply goes in there like that. The other die would go in there. We just have it finger tightened right now. You just manually line it up. So there's two. It's lined up there. Now we happen to have a 1/4 inch eyelet. I've already drilled some holes here and connected them just for drilling. So what I do is I take magic marker. I write it on all my tools. For just things, it depends on it. This represents that die right there. You have 2 sheets of material, and in the ram you'd have the other die, and your eyelet is represented like that. So basically what you're going to do is material, and that goes in there just like that. My hands are all greasy. So I'm going to take this, I've got that pressed in there. This one I've already done. And let's keep the finish sides consistent here. Finish side up. I just push it in there, and then I just rest it on top of that. It doesn't have to be pressed down. You'll see it's just resting on there. And I've got it on there. Just give it a quick, sharp downward motion. Top looks good. Bottom looks great. Let's do another one. Top side. Eyelet. This one is nickel coated. Just push it down into the hole. You can see that rested on top. Make sure it's lined up. Quick little press down. See how that came out. That's it. USAKnifemaker.com. Custom eyelet dies in 1/4, 3/16. Don't forget, go to knifedogs.com and our internet knife forum, where we have thousands of knife makers getting together all the time to share. Thanks.